Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry I didn't record from a very long time, school, hard work, going through things, but now I have time to record for you guys because there's something going on in my country, blocking roads, um, garbage and wheels. So today we're going to be opening mystery boxes until we can't open mystery boxes anymore. So, yeah, smack that like button, make it blue, and yeah, let's go with our first mystery. Something good, please. Something good. I hate this game. Something good. Something good. I said I want something good. What is that? What? Ooh, a pose. Wait, that's a girly pose. No, why did I get this pose? Okay. More poses. 25 coins. Okay, good. Ooh. Art painting. Nice. What's next? What is. Oh god. Oh my god. I think we ended our coins fast, so we're going to be watching an ad to continue until we can't open. Let's wait. Wait till we end this ad and we're gonna open that mystery box. Yeah. Okay. What is up? 10 diamonds. Okay, okay. I guess we can end this all here. So, yeah, guys, subscribe to the channel. Uh, yeah, I opened these before starting the video because I want to see the good luck that I had, if I had luck or not. But I got some good stuff. I got some good stuff, although I didn't. But I got some nice stuff. I like this hand painting thing. Yeah, I might put it in my apartment. But yeah, guys, that sums up our video for today. Like, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, thanks for watching.